Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post a blog on Squarespace 2026. So you want to publish professional blog posts on Squarespace without any coding or complicated setup. In this video I'll show you exactly how to post a blog on Squarespace step by step. So we're going to be covering how you can actually create a new blog post, formatting your content, adding images, and publishing your blog live. Alright, so the first step is opening up your Squarespace account. That is what I've done here, and I've logged into my Squarespace, and you're going to see your existing website. So if you don't have a website, you're going to have to go ahead and create one, which you can do when you simply sign up for Squarespace. You can use the search to, search for Squarespace and simply sign up, but I already have an account. All right, so now all we need to do is just click on Edit Site here, and it's going to pull up our website. Now, once the website opens, just head into Pages and click on the Pages option. Once you've clicked on Pages, I already have a blog here, but let's go ahead and delete this. Now, once it opens, in order to add a blog, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the plus icon here. Click on the plus here. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and head into Showcase and select Blog. Click on blog here and then select the blog you would like to recreate. So there are a few options you could go with. I went with redefining success the last time, so I could go with this one here, this option, and enter a text box in this space. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this option, and the page is going to be added. That's the blog page is going to be added to your website. And then the next step you're going to be taking in order to add your blog post is to click on the blog page itself. So this is going to take us to the editing section of the page. And then once you're here where we have blog content, go ahead and click on the plus icon. And it's going to go ahead and add a text option where you could simply enter your blog title. So you can enter the title of your blog post. You could make sure your title is clear, searchable, and easy to understand. So let's say something around why the sun is red. And now once you've entered something like this, you now have your text option. And there is an option here to simply add things like a spacer, buttons, forms, take things from your items from your gallery, add videos, and just simply interact with the website itself. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be filling this up using the artificial intelligence on Squarespace. So Squarespace has an AI that can help you write paragraphs. It can help you with headings. It can help you with basically any piece of content you want to create that is written on Squarespace. So you can simply achieve a lot using this method. So to activate the Squarespace AI, click on it and then just simply tell it what you want. So it does say here that so there is an option to simply, add anything you want created, like I said earlier, but just telling it what you need. So I'm going to ask it to draft me a paragraph on why the sun appears yellow but is actually white, fact check and elongate. So it's going to go ahead and draft this here, and now all we need to do is just simply hit the enter key on our computer, and it's going to go ahead and fill in this space with a paragraph that simply states that reason. And boom, as you can see here, the AI has helped us with this. And while it's still highlighted, you can either lengthen what you want to do, simplify, or shorten. So we can go with the option to simplify this, and it's going to simplify this a bit more. And then after that, to make your blog a bit more longer, you could just simply highlight the text again and ask it to lengthen it. So we've simplified it, and then we're going to be asking for a much more length. All right, so after this, the next step is formatting the blog again. To format your text properly, just simply use the Control key and A to highlight everything. Once you have, you can choose to bolden it, and then you could choose to change the text color by maybe going through custom colors and have your colors in red, or you can have them in yellow or blue or whatever color attracts viewers. All right, and now once you've set your text, you can also do more by clicking on edit section to simply align your text. So you can align all your text to the center, You could also show the dates, you could show the author's name, the author's profile, and if you scroll a bit more to the bottom, you have a header spacing. So you can either minimize or maximize the spacing. And then once you're done, you could also change up the colors for the background. So right now it's set to the lightest color. We could just simply play around with this and change the section background to something like this. It looks quite good on this color. And then just simply apply that to the rest of your site. That way your blog looks a bit more unique than everyone else's. All right, guys, and once you're done here, the next thing you can also do is you could simply add images to your blog. Just go ahead and click on the plus here to add an element, and the element we're looking for is in gallery. So you can either upload images or simply add more content, and you could decide how you want them to appear. So if you want them as a grid, you can have them appear as a grid, or if you want them as a carousel, you can have that as well. You could also have a miniature slideshow, but I prefer the stacked option or the grid because that puts everything into perspective. And then you can decide your content by either using the existing galleries or you could just use the upload images option. But this means selecting an image from your gallery on your computer to use. All right, so once you've gone with this, just step out of here. And voila, we've added images to our blog, meaning you can add a bit more content to your already existing content. All right, and then once you're done, you can also preview your blog by clicking on the preview option to simply preview your blog and see how it looks from your perspective. And if you want to switch over to mobile view, you can do that as well. And you can see what it looks like on mobile. And then once you're done, you could close out of the preview, save your blog post, head back into the system view, exit, and you can now simply publish this. So in order to publish, all you need to do is just go ahead and select your blog overview, click on the edit option, click on publish, which would be at the top left corner, click on publish, and it's going to publish that. All right, guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.